Good afternoon. I am privileged to introduce my personal information. I am AJ Lakshmi. I am pursuing BCom Computers from G Polarity PG and Degree College. With an aggregate, I have scored 80% till third semester, and I have completed my plus 12 from NRA College and my schooling in Nagarjuna High School. About my strength I can adapt to an environment, and I'm hardworking girl, and I have patience. About my weakness, I have started observing my weakness. If the situations comes, I can give myself control, and because I have an patience. And about my hobbies, I am very much interested in such activities like drawing and listening to music. I see this opportunity as a way to contribute my skills towards. I feel I can do so. I feel my skills are particularly well suited to this position. I believe I have the type of knowledge to succeed in this role and at the company. Thank you for giving this opportunity.